Le trí cóscóir imirtha cogadí seo an aróta Loch Garman dul céimlís fuide going a Port Láirge, agus brú ístú céime a chur ar níor banisteoir Davy.
Normally any team I've managed seems to rise up whenever they play me, so I'm expecting a big one today out of Wexford. We need to get a win today, it's about performance more than anything else is the big thing for me.
They need the points as much as we do, so I'm expecting a big battle and hopefully come out on top.
Clúiche in the buaicphointí an tosaigh inis atá Port Láirge.
Disappointed with the first sort of 10 to 15. I just saw we ran ragged in fairness to Davy. He had his tactics to a T and we just couldn't get to the numbers.
Probably gave him a 5-point head start and we kept grinding away, I suppose, on things when things aren't going your way, but if you work hard you kind of make your own luck.
Conor Hearn an Nasc agus batáis teasta cholaga.
We were lucky to go in probably 3 points down at half-time, which probably wasn't a fair reflection because Waterford were on top for the majority of that.
Caleb Lyons up in Luton, Échrigan Gowlish, a Seinnteoir TG4.
We were standing off an awful lot in the first half and lads just got toe-to-toe with a couple of Waterford guys and we sort of attacked from there then really.
Seinnteoir TG4 inside a goal bar on Turn McCool against the Carmanite. Neil Montgomery, and the hot ball against Fanning.
We didn't seem to know what we were doing exactly, which is disappointing. And I know we can say we've guys coming back and it was our first game and that, but that's not an excuse. We didn't play well enough in that second half and we're bitterly disappointed with how we played. We still fought till the very end and give ourselves a chance at the end, even not playing well.
He's given all the young lads opportunities and thankfully we're delivering for him, and today it just showed again, so it's good to have the manager that backs the youth and especially to blend us in with the experienced players who are driving us on as well. He tells you to go out what you've done in 20s, have the shot, go at it. If you miss it, you miss it, you just have to keep going. So in fairness, he's keeping the confidence within us. He's not telling us not to do anything else, just be yourself, like, basically, and that's what we're doing.
Tá cuasaí críochnaithe Farca Breathnaigh na Camnic chun tosaigh 2-3 cosú, 1-3 ag Port Láirge.
Delighted with the fight, character the boys showed, especially lads coming off the bench as well to give us a bit of a spurt on. 3 draws in your first 3 games, you can look at it both ways, either a good or a bad thing. Look, delighted, our first win of the year, we're still unbeaten, it's brilliant.
This year it's just consistency, we're building every day, just on to Cork next Saturday with another performance and see then hopefully we get a league semi-final then for the following week.
We're bitterly disappointed and can make no excuses, not happy, and I know our supporters won't be happy and accept that 110%, we have to. You have 2 choices in hurling. You can either put the head down and hide, and we'll get a bit of stick this week, deservedly so, and we'll have to take it on the chin. But what do? You come back fighting, and that's what I'm looking forward to doing, and as long as I'm able, I'll make sure this bunch are going to fight hard and learn from today.